Hello friends, I'm Angelina and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to share to you how I did my morning homemade tea. This is made of ginger, which is anti-inflammatory. Then we have the lemon and the orange for vitamin C. Okay, and the turmeric, which is also good for inflammation and antioxidant. Then that is only 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and then 1 tablespoon of honey just for taste. That is optional, guys, kung gumamit kayo ng honey. Okay, so these are my ingredients. So first, I peel the orange. It's up for you if you want to get only the juice, but for me, I peeled it. Then the lemon, squeeze the lemon. Yan guys. So yan, lagay sa blender. That's the blender, guys. Yan. Then pagkatapos, you slice the orange and put it on the blender, and then peel the ginger and slice it and put it again on the blender. Add the 1 tablespoon of turmeric, okay, and also the honey just for taste. It's up for you, no, if you have to put honey. Okay, that's it. Then after that, you put 1 glass of water on the blender. Then blend all the ingredients. After that, that's it na guys. You have to get another container which is a glass, no? Ayaw yung plastic, guys. Kailangan glass talaga. You wash it thoroughly. Then you strain it. Yan. Okay. Strain. Okay, yan na guys, ang ating strained na tea. And then maglagay ka sa baso guys ng konti lang, 1 ounce. Then lagyan mo ng hot water. Yan ang inumin nyo every morning, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel.